How to search by seller on Mercari. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can search by seller on Mercari. So let's go. The first step is for you to log in into your Mercari's account, just like I've done here. And then once you're logged in order for you to search by seller, the major way is by clicking on the search icon at the top part of the screen. And then by clicking on this, the next step would be for you to type out the products that you're searching for. Okay. Type out the product of the seller that you have in mind, if you have one in mind. And then just type it out and click on the enter button or the search icon. And so once you've done that, you'll be taken to the page where you see your products. If it does not work, ensure you click on the search icon again and then search out the product again. So once you've done that, you'll be brought to the products page where you'd see a number of products posted by different sellers. So then if you know the way this particular seller sells our product, just go to the left side of the screen and then filter, all right? But maybe the person is in the USA, ensure you include that. And then sellers that are in the USA would be displayed. The next step would be for you to select the product of the seller, and then you would wait for the page to load as well. Then you'll be brought to the product details page where you'd see further details about the product. As you can see this, just scroll down until you can see the seller's name. So click on the seller's username and you'll be brought to the seller's profile page. So on this page, by scrolling down, you'll see the different items that particular seller is selling. So you can see it on my screen. And this way you can easily search out for items that this particular seller is selling. And then you can get them easily. You can also try this for other products. Just go back and go back to the page and then select another product. Then you'll be taken to the product detail page, and then from there scroll down and click on the seller's profile name, and then you'll be taken to the seller's profile page where you would see details about the seller's reviews. You can see items that the seller have sold, and then just click on the search icon here to search out items that this particular seller is selling, and you can easily get them as soon as you can. So that is it. This is how you can search by seller on Mercari. Thank you for watching everyone and have a good day.